What's up, everybody? I just want to make a quick review for Nasdaq for yesterday and today's price action. So yesterday after 11, right? So we start trading after 11 as per the rules. So there was nothing created in here, right? So we had this zone that we mitigated
by
and
stop
then
and Q.
we moved away, right? So this was our zone, and all of this was only accumulation to reach the 666 of this zone, which had an order block at the level. Okay, so if you took this zone, right? So yesterday price was really forgiven. Sorry, not this. So yesterday price was forgiven, and it gave you also the 666. Okay,
Sell stop
so this
and
was
Q.
a 2R or 1R, depending on what money maker you trade. Then after lots of waiting, right? So price made it to the 666 level, to the tick as always, right? So 666 short 2 hours, and you're done for the day. Okay, so now if you're not like trusting blindly the entries, so you just wait for a break of structure, which happened like here, right? So this is last down candle that put this high, we close under it, you sell any retracement into this fair value gap or this candle as a mini breaker. Okay, so you could have made something like that, right? And then could have got like 4.33 RR, or you could have targeted this low. Okay, all right, so yesterday was done like that, just one valid trade for yesterday. Today again, same story, right? So we started after 11. Where is 11? Okay, so it's here, right? So at 11, right, was like, I don't know if it's magic or something, but at 11 exactly, price made its first zone. Okay, so again,
Buyer sweep, yes.
you take the zone from the 50% or from the 666 for a 2R, and you got your money, right? Or if you're not, or if you're seeking some kind of confirmation, you wait for a close under this low, right? Or this down candle that put this high, and you sell any retracement into the
Seller
range,
sweep,
right?
yes.
So this will be
Absorption sellers,
a
yes.
range, right? And you sell any retracement into it, right? Precision is selling the 666 as an OTE sell,
Buyer
right?
sweep, yes.
So you enter at the
Buyers,
666
yes.
and then you take maximum
Buyer sweep, yes.
RR, something like that.
Buyers,
Right?
yes.
So you enter at the 666 here, or at
Hit
the
that like
OTE
button.
somewhere, and then
Absorption buyers
you
and
take
Q.
your 2R,
Seller
or
sweep,
you sell
yes.
any retracement to
Absorption
the
buyers,
down
yes.
candle,
Hit that like
right? So
button.
you don't know if price is reaching
Absorption
higher,
buyers and
or
Q.
we'll just
Absorption
target the
buyers,
down
yes.
candle and then
Buyer
go.
sweep, yes.
So you can target
Absorption
here
buyers
real
and
weak
Q.
low
Absorption buyers
for
and
3
Q.
hour trade.
Buyer
Okay,
sweep and Q. Hit that like
okay.
button.
Then
Hit that like button.
so we
Hit that
created
like
this
button.
zone, right?
Hit that like button. Sell stop and Q.
We
Hit
first
that like
tapped
button.
it here, and then we moved away, right? I have here the 5 minute chart. So in the 5 minute, this was not a valid zone, and this was just a sweep. So this is all accumulation for this step. Okay. So again, same thing. You don't take anything here, especially when you see this V-shape recovery, right? There was no accumulation going back to this zone. So this is a V-shape, right? And I never take V-shapes, to be honest, right? So again, we take the trade. If you trust your system and your data, so 666, 2R, or moneymaker, 1R, right? And then, as always, if you don't trust the model, you wait for a close under this low, right? But at this moment, it will kill your RR a little bit, okay? So you wait for a close and you sell any retracement into this range, okay? So you sell, right? Sell, sell, sell. Stop loss above here. But confirmation will kill the RR in this case, okay? So if you waited for the trade at the 50%, like they never tagged you, or if you took it from the unicorn, so breaker, FVG, right? They show you. So this is the breaker, and these are the FVGs that were nested in this breaker, right? So price needed to respect it, okay? So you take this trade, right, from, let's say, from this one here. You put your stop above here, and you target again the week low, okay? But to be honest, I don't like to put my stop in internal range liquidity. But in this case, let me show you here. So in this case, so the 5 minute never closed under this mile marker or this low, and we had still an unmitigated area in the M5 FVG, okay? So in this case, I will trust this leg because it had a FVG, and never trust this leg because it didn't have an FVG, okay? So the trade is take it from this 50% or this unicorn, stop under the swing high and target the low, okay? All right. Then price
Sell
kept
iceberg
falling,
and Q.
okay? And we had lots of unicorns today, okay? So we had this high, we had this low, we had the higher high, and then we broke under, right? So the last down closing candle here is my breaker, right? Okay, this one, this doji, which had bought, to be honest, so I like this more, right? This had a nested FVG, okay? Yes, this one, maybe as well, right? So it had this candle also, okay? So they touch the breaker and melted, okay? Same thing again. All they did is touch this mitigation block now because it didn't make a higher high, so it's a mitigation block. So they touched it, failed to close above this candle, we close under, and ciao ciao. Okay. Now, price reached some kind of orders that were sitting in here. So I saw market live being spooled down. So orders were made in here, in here, in here. So when they reached here, suddenly every orders disappeared here. So they filled all these orders, and then they changed the state of delivery on M5, and they are still moving up now, right? So maybe to mitigate something in this here, okay? So we still had this unmitigated zone in here. Maybe Asia will do the works, mitigate something here, or even this now unmitigated glitch, right? So higher time frame. So this is 15 zone or something, and this is its glitch or the 50%. Okay, so we'll do something in Asia today later. So maybe we'll gap up a little bit in here and then melt again. Okay, see what's happened in the hourly as well. So we had yesterday an excellent money maker in the hourly, right? 2.0 as well. So we had this, remember? So we had the zone. Okay, so this was a zone. We take the zone and then we boss up, right? So what do I always tell you about these zones? You sell the house and put everything in this 50% and take the one-to-one. It is a high probability setup. I like this setup a lot, right? Whenever I see it in any time frame, I take it, okay? So now that we closed under this hourly, right? This is now the whole hourly zone, right? This is still internal liquidity for this, right? So we can still go up, reach this glitch again, and then move, right? So we can either do this
Sell stop and Q.
for maximum inducement, right? Or we can just respect this M15 leg and done. Now let's see what they do tomorrow, and I'll try to do a quick video again, right? If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any futures update. And if you want to dive deeper into the Moneymaker setup, check out the playlist that will pop up in the end screen. It's packed with everything you need to get started. Remember, everything I do is free, including our thriving Discord community. Join us and let's keep growing together. Ciao, ciao.